Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining with me today. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedules. I know everyone has quite a lot to do today, so I do appreciate you taking this time. I do ask during this meeting that everyone tries to keep an open mind and tries to understand where I'm coming from for this. As you know, we have missed a couple deadlines, unfortunately, and we haven't been as effective as usual. This is very surprising for our team since I know every single one of you are a great worker, you're dedicated, and you can focus on the task at hand. One way that we're deciding to handle this and to see how we can improve is to install a task managing time tool onto your computers, including my own. So we're all going to have this tool added to our computers within this next week. What that means is that it'll watch and monitor just how long it takes us to work on certain projects, myself included, and to show us the ways that we think we can improve. It's going to help with productivity, it's going to help us be more efficient, and it'll give us a way to study basically and see why we're failing to meet these deadlines and what's happening. I think it's going to be a great idea for us. It's going to really help us to improve our quality of work, and I think it's going to be a great benefit for us. It'll help us to see where we're spending more time where we should have been spent other places. I know myself, when I work on a project, I spend too much time trying to figure out where to start instead of jumping into the research to figure out what the project entails. This tool is going to be a great way for us to see how we can do better as a group. Now, I understand that it does and can feel like an invasion of privacy. I know it's not something that should be seen that way, but I can definitely understand how it appears that way. Please know we are not going to be looking through your emails or your chats on there. We do not need to see, nor do we want to see any of your personal information. This is purely for a work purpose. And again, it'll be on all of our computers, mine included. As a team, I feel like it's important to lead by example. So if you have to do it, I have to do it. And that's fine by me. So please, again, try to have an open mind about this. I really do think it'll be helpful for us. Also, we can look at it as a way of seeing how can we improve as a group. If one person tends to be doing more work than the others, this will help us figure out a better way to help that second person to improve so that everybody is doing the same amount of work. We don't want one person to have a heavy workload and another person to have a very light one. We are a group here, we're a team. This is a team effort to accomplish our goals. So again, I think this is definitely a benefit to our team, and it shouldn't be seen as a negative thing. But please, I know this is going to be a hard transition for this. If you have any questions at all, questions, concerns, comments, please come to my office at any point and let me know. If you're not comfortable doing the face-to-face about this, you can shoot me an email, leave me a note in my mailbox outside my door. Whatever way you feel comfortable talking about this, please reach out to me, because I'd want to answer any and all questions that you have about this and see what I can do to alleviate some of this stress and some of this anxiety about this. So again, team, thank you so much for the meeting with me. Please try to have an open mind about it. I know I'm having to, but I think that together as a group, we can make this work. Thank you.